What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee limited edition, and well, we have the issue about this light right here. So that light is for the forward collision brake assist, and the customer complains that this light won't go off, and they already scanned for codes and it doesn't have any code in the system store. So I believe this is something related with the settings in the car, but let me show you really quick how you can check that, because I've seen some videos on how to turn off the light, and I was messing here in the settings. If you go to your tablet right here, the radio, you select the vehicle and you scroll down to safety and driving assist, you're gonna see these messages right here. So what you want to see is the automatic brake braking, and as you can see, this one is already turned on. So if I turn it off, it says a message right there that it's off. But when I turn it on, nothing happens. The message is still there, and I've seen a video where they turn it on and it has a message right here that says pedestrian, something like that, but I don't see it here. Okay, so like I was saying, we need to see the pedestrian message right here, and we need to turn off that message, because that's probably why that thing is there. So I was reading a lot of information online, and well, like I said, it doesn't have any message. It only has a message about the passive anti-theft antenna, but once I clear that code, it should go away. Other than that, it doesn't have it doesn't have any codes or anything really strong related to that particular light. So I'm gonna go to the internet and I'm gonna show you the technical bulletin that I found. So let me just go there really quick. Okay guys, so this is I hope this is a lot of help for you if you're having this problem. So here we have the forward collision warning off light, it's stuck on. So it's the same thing that is happening to this vehicle right here, and this person will pretty much has the same vehicle like this one. The forward collision warning is light says off. That's the light that warns you whenever you see a vehicle in front of you and it starts doing the brake assist for you. So it says that it's stuck, and he says when he goes to the settings, the forward collision and driving assist are also turned on. So same thing, pretty much is everything turned on, and it seems no matter what I do, cycle the settings, the light will not turn off or anything. So if you scroll down more, you will see actually, let me just go back. I don't know why I pressed that, but the guy was saying here that a lot of people are having the same problem, and it says right here, same thing happened to me yesterday, Italian and all that. So basically it changed the language and a lot of things, and a guy took it to the dealership, and let me see right here if he put, oh, right here. So he got back from the dealer and they said this is a known issue from a mobile release online publication. This is the case number 249. So if we go over here, I actually put that one. Let me just go over here. I'm gonna open it, and here we have it. So the symptom is that they will change pretty much all that using a scanner. So we're gonna use the scanner and try to replicate all this. We're gonna go to miscellaneous functions and customer programmable features and all that. So we're gonna try and do that. What else? Let's go back, and it says that they had to reset the programmable features configuration. So this is a warning light, as you can see, pretty much the same thing they have. And yeah, same thing happened to me 3 days ago after an update on the 2022 1 year series. So yeah, a lot of people are having issues with this, and yeah, we'll see what I can do with this scanner. So let's start by, I hope this is not a long video, but I'm trying to address this issue too, because this is the first time I encountered something like this. I've never had a issue with this. So we're gonna go first to the instrument cluster, and well, I don't have any lights here, nothing like that, so I cannot do anything. Let me see if I can go to the radio right here. No, I only have the ECU information. That's pretty much all I have that it will let me do. Okay, it doesn't have many functions, so it says right here all the options, all that. Okay, ECU information for the radio. Let's see if it has an update. I can know that by going to my computer and just checking the calibration that this module has. I can see, hold on. Okay, so here we have it, and I don't see the software number. What's it? Okay, it's right here. That's the hardware number. But where is the ECU? Where is it? Yeah, I think it's just gonna be that. I don't have any other numbers. Nope. Yep, that's pretty much it. Let's do active test. What we should see, and I don't have any messages or anything that I can do to reset that. So we apparently have to pay the fee to the dealership and use the original software. Sadly, that's a shame, because they charge a lot of money just to use the software once, and it's pretty much not worth it doing that. Okay, so yeah, let me play with this around and I'll see what I can find. Alright guys, so we are here in the car, and what I actually have is the White software right here. Let me just put this right. There we go. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna configure the customer programmable features, something like that. And by the way, to people that do not know, this is the White version 2 program, which is this one. They use the same thing at the dealer. This is the software they use to reflash the modules on your car. And as you can see, we have 2022 Jeep Cherokee. Here we can check all the available flashes in the vehicle. If we go to the topology, we have right here that has the little thunder on top. That means it has a calibration update. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the instrument cluster, and we're gonna select miscellaneous functions, this one, customer programmable feature, and we're gonna select continue. It says if the bin is correct, we're gonna press yes. So you need 2 subscriptions for this. The first one, you're gonna need the White 2 software subscription, which is 3 days, and you have to buy the Tech Authority 3 days as well. Otherwise you're not gonna be able to unlock the Canway. All these cars come locked in the Canway for some dumb reason, just to prevent theft, I guess. And well, if you want to flash a ECU, you gotta buy the $35 1-year subscription to flash the ECU. So it will be a total of $150, I guess. Let's see. So if we add this one, and we add the other one, and we add the last one, you will be looking at $130 just to flash the computer on this vehicle. So once we have this, we're gonna select continue. Hopefully it will let me. Customer programmable, and there we go guys, the light, it's gone. So this is pretty much all you have to do to get rid of that dumb light. This is all you have to do. That's what all they're gonna do at the dealership. Just reset the customer programmable configuration. And if we go over here, we don't have that option to remove the on the video that I watch. You have the pedestrian message that right there. You can disable it, but this car doesn't have it. So this is pretty much they had to do. This is what they will do at the dealership. So if you have someone that has this problem, well, show them this video that I did just for you guys, so you can see that that's pretty much what they have to do. So we're gonna turn it on and we should see the light go off. So the light is gone for good. And yep, I'm gonna flash all these modules, guys, so will be pretty much the end. Also, they said they had problems with the lights too, and I guess that's fixed already too. And well, this will be pretty much the end of the video, guys. Well, I hope that you liked the information on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on. And well, like I said, if you have this issue, just show it to the guy in the dealership and they will know what to do. They will have to use the program to reset the customer comfort thing, whatever they call it. But there's a glitch in the system, so the software will fix it. All right, guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. Fix out. Bye.